In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your computer to Wi-Fi without a cable, so you can enjoy a fast, cable-free Wi-Fi connection. First, let's make sure your computer is actually capable of connecting to Wi-Fi. Most laptops have built-in wireless, but many desktop computers don't. Look along the top row of keys on your keyboard, or near the function keys for a Wi-Fi symbol. Or check the side of your laptop for a small switch with a wireless icon. If you see that, your device likely has Wi-Fi built in. On a desktop, look on the back of the computer for a small antenna, or check the device specifications in the manual or on the manufacturer's website. If there's no built-in Wi-Fi, you'll need a USB Wi-Fi adapter. It's a small device you plug into a USB port that gives your computer wireless capability. Once you're sure you have Wi-Fi hardware, turn on your computer and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. On Windows, look at the bottom right corner of the screen for the network or Wi-Fi icon. If it looks disabled or has an X on it, click it and turn Wi-Fi on. On a Mac, look at the top right menu bar for the Wi-Fi symbol and ensure it's switched on there. Now, let's find your network. With Wi-Fi enabled, click the network icon. You should see a list of available wireless networks nearby. Look for the name of your home or office Wi-Fi network, exactly as it appears on your router label or what your internet provider gave you. If you don't see it, make sure your router is powered on and the Wi-Fi light on the router is lit. Click on your Wi-Fi network name. You'll be prompted to enter the Wi-Fi password, sometimes called the security key. Type it carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Then confirm to connect. It may take a few seconds for your computer to authenticate and join the network. Once it connects, you should see the Wi-Fi icon change to show signal bars. At this point, open a web browser and try loading a website to confirm that your internet is working. If the connection is slow, try moving your computer closer to the router, or reduce obstacles like thick walls and large appliances between the router and your device. For desktops far from the router, a USB Wi-Fi adapter with an external antenna can give you a stronger, more stable signal. And that's it. You've successfully connected your computer to Wi-Fi without using a cable, and you're ready to browse wirelessly.